Hello students, I am Hombini and I will be taking English for class 5. Today our topic will be chapter 12, that is Wish for a Rainbow. Okay. Today we are going to learn all about rainbows and we will learn what a rainbow is and how they are formed and what are the colors. Okay. We will also be able to answer question based on the poem, okay, after learning this poem. Now, we will also appreciate the beauty of nature in writing, okay. Through this poem, we will also learn the antonyms and the synonym words, all right. So, today our topic will be Wish for a Rainbow, written by Vipoli Giba, okay. Vipoli Giba is the person who wrote this poem, okay. Now, before we go into the explanation, we will all read together, okay, from the starting. Wish for a rainbow. Sun shines and clouds gather at day. Moon brightens and stars sparkle at night. But I want to be the sky, for I wish the rainbow to beautify my life. The rain may pour heavily, the wind may blow hard, the cloud may be darker, but there is a rainbow to brighten my day again. The next paragraph. If I were a bird, I would fly over the rainbow and get the colors all over me, and have the wings of rainbow. I would still run for the rainbow that makes me smile. I would count the colors and paint on my shirt, and I will become the rainbow forever. Alright, students, after reading this poem, what do you understand? We understood that the poem really admires the rainbow, right? And he really wishes to be like the rainbow, okay? So we will try to understand properly what the poem is all about, okay? I will explain you from the first line. So, sun shines and clouds gather at day. That means during the day the sun shines, right? And when all the clouds gather, well, the sun was shining, but now the clouds started to gather, okay, during the daytime. Now moon brightens and stars sparkle at night. Now during the nighttime, what do we see? We see the moon, right? We don't see the sun during the nighttime. So we see the moon, it brightens the sky during the night. And we also see stars, right, sparkling at night. So during the night, the moon shines and the stars. But I want to be the sky. See, the poet is appreciating the beauty of the sun and the moon, right? During the daytime, he loved the sun. During the nighttime, he loved the moon and the star. But the poet wants to be the sky. That means he admired the sky the most, right? The sun, the moon, the stars, they're all beautiful. But above all, for him, the sky is the best. And he wished to be the sky. Why? Let's see why the poet wants to be the sky, okay? Now, for I wish the rainbow to beautify my life. See, the rainbow appears in the sky, right? That is why the poet wants to be the sky, so that he will be able to have the rainbow, right, as his beauty, right? He wants the rainbow to beautify his life. He wants to decorate his life. So if he is the sky, then the rainbow can make the sky beautiful, right? That is why the poet wants to be the sky, to let the rainbow beautify his life, okay? Here is a picture of a rainbow in the sky, okay? Now, the rain may pour heavily, the wind may blow hard. See, though it may rain heavily, or though it may be very windy and the winds are blowing very hard, the cloud may be darker. See, even if the clouds are dark, very dark, if it is rain, the cloud become dark, right? So even if the clouds are darker, there is a rainbow to brighten my day again. See, the poet is saying that even if it is raining, even if it is windy, or if it is dark and the weather is very gloomy, at the end, I will have the rainbow to beautify my life, right? So even the boy passes a very unpleasant situation at the other end, or at some point he will also meet the rainbow one or the other time, right? Because the rainbow will definitely appear one or the other time, right? It will not just vanish. That is why the boy wants to be the sky. Okay, he really admires the rainbow. Now, if next line, if I were a bird, I would fly over the rainbow. See, the poet is saying that if I were a bird, I will fly over the rainbow. Birds, they can fly, right? They can go high up in the sky. So the poet is saying that if he is a bird, he will fly in the sky over the rainbow. That means near the rainbow, okay? And get the colors all over me. See, when the rainbow are very colorful, right? See the colors of the rainbow, we can all see, right? So the boy, what he is saying is that if I were a bird, I will go near the rainbow and let the colors of the rainbow fill my feathers. See, colors all over me. If I were a bird, see, the boy is saying that he will get the colors of the rainbow all over me, okay? But this is just his imagination, okay? Because in reality, even if the rainbow come close to us, we cannot take the color of that, right? It is made up of something that cannot be taken by human, right? Or any living beings, right? So this is just in his imagination, okay? The boy is imagining all this in his mind. But he really admires the rainbow, okay? Through his writing, you can see that. And have the wings of a rainbow. See, the boy is now imagining that if he was a bird, he will let the colors of the rainbow spread all over his wings, and he will have a wings of rainbow. See, he will have a beautiful wings with the help of the rainbow, right? This is all his imagination. The boy is playing in his imagination, okay? Now, next line, I would still run for the rainbow that makes me smile. See, the boy is very happy when he sees the rainbow, right? So, he is saying that I will still run for the rainbow. That means when he sees the rainbow appearing, he will run and then he will get to a place where he can see a proper view of the rainbow, okay? So, the boy is saying that he will run for the rainbow because it makes him happy. See, that makes me smile. See, the rainbow makes the boy very happy, okay? Now, next line, I would count the colors and paint on my shirt. See, the boy is saying that he will count the number of colors that is in the rainbow and he will paint his shirt according to the rainbow. And I will become the rainbow forever. See, finally, the boy says that I will become the rainbow myself forever. But that is not possible, right? This is just his imagination, okay? He is imagining that since he liked the rainbow so much, he wished to be the rainbow forever, okay? He want to become the rainbow forever, okay? So this is all about the rainbow, and we will just summarize it, okay, in few lines. So what is the poem all about? The poet, see, in the poem, the poet admires the beauty of rainbow and wish the bright colors of the rainbow to beautify his life, right? We have come across that. The boy really admires the rainbow and he wished that the rainbow would beautify his life, right? To make his life colorful. He wished to be the rainbow himself, right? We have all seen that in the last line, see? And I will become the rainbow forever. See, the boy wants to be the rainbow himself, right? He loved the rainbow that much. Now, rainbow, what does rainbow signifies in this poem? The rainbow signifies happiness and joy, right? According to the poet, the person who wrote this poem, for him, the rainbow, it makes me smile. That means makes him smile. The rainbow makes him smile, okay? So rainbow signifies happiness and joy, okay? In this poem, rainbow signifies happiness and joy. Now, these are the questions, some questions that I have answered, okay? These are in your exercise as well, okay? Now, why does the poet want to be the sky? I have told you already in the explanation that the boy wants to be the sky because he wants the rainbow to beautify his life, right? He wants the rainbow to make his life colorful, to make his life joyful, admirable, like the rainbow, right? That is why the boy wants to be the sky, okay? Now let's learn how many colors are there in a rainbow. Okay, these are the colors that we see in a rainbow, right? So we will learn from the start. Okay, here I have given the initial letters of the colors. Okay, and see R, that means red. Okay, that is the first color in the rainbow, red. R stands for red. O, that is orange. O stands for orange. Y stands for yellow. Green stands for G stands for green. B for blue. I for indigo, and V for violet. So these are the colors that we see in a rainbow. Okay, shall we all go through again? R, red. O, orange. Y, yellow. G, green. B, blue. I, indigo, and V, violet. So see, it is very colorful, right? The rainbow is very colorful, and it has all the bright and joyful color, right? It is very bright, it is very lively, right? And that is why the boy also admire these beautiful colors. Okay, and he wants these colors to make his life more colorful, more attractive. Okay, so this is why he admires the rainbow. Now we have come across many words in the poem. Okay, that but today we will learn the antonyms and synonyms of those words. Okay, the antonym stands for the words that are opposite. Okay, and the synonym stands for words that are same or similar. So we will try to learn some antonyms for words first. Okay, let's all spell antonyms first. ANTONYMS, antonyms, that are words that are opposite. Okay, so let's find out the opposite word of dark. Dark means light, right? Something that is very dark, the opposite of dark will be, of course, light, right? Something that is very bright. So light is the opposite of dark. Okay, now smile. Smile, that means frown, sad. Okay, FROWN, something that is very unhappy. Okay, gloomy, frown. Now day, opposite of day is night. NIGHT, night, right? Opposite of day will be night. Now heavy, opposite of heavy, something very heavy will be light. LIGHT, light, right? The next forever, opposite of forever. What is the opposite of forever? Never. NEVER, never. Okay, never is the opposite of forever. Now heart, opposite of heart will be soft. SOFT, soft. All right, let's go through a quick revision what an antonym is. Antonyms are those words that are opposite, okay, that have opposite meaning. So the opposite of dark will be light, smile, frown. Day will be night, heavy will be light, forever will be never, hard will be soft. Okay, now that is all about antonyms. Now we will learn what a synonyms is. Okay, now sometimes you get confused with the synonyms and the antonyms, right? Sometimes we tend to think that synonyms is the same word, synonyms is the opposite word, and antonyms is the same words, right? So I will tell you a very trick that will help you remember what a synonyms is. Okay, now synonyms, let's all spell firstly SYNONYMS. Synonyms. Synonyms are words that have same meaning, right? That have similar meaning. So, see, since synonyms also starts with S and same also start with S, we will remember that synonyms means same. Okay, they both have starting initial letter S. Okay, so this is how you will remember in the future as well, right? Synonyms means same. Why? Because they have the same initial letter. Okay, S for synonyms and S for same. That is synonyms. Now, synonyms means the word having the same meaning, right? So we will try to find out those words. Okay. The first is beautiful. See, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. What is the same word of beautiful? That means lovely, right? L-O-V-E-L-Y, lovely. See, beautiful means lovely. Now, attractive, A-T-T-R-A-C-T-I-V-E, attractive means gorgeous. G-O-R-G-E-O-U-S, gorgeous. Okay, so the same word of attractive is gorgeous. Now, friendly, F-R-I-E-N-D-L-Y, friendly means warm, W-A-R-M, warm. Now, exciting, E-X-C-I-T-I-N-G, exciting means joyous. Okay, J-O-Y-O-U-S, joyous. Now, sad means unhappy, U-N-H-A-P-P-Y, unhappy. Okay, so these are the words that have the same meaning. Okay, beautiful have the same meaning with lovely, right? So it all goes on like that. Okay, the synonyms means having same meaning. All right, students, I hope you will not forget what synonyms and antonyms are. Antonyms have opposite, whereas synonyms are same. Okay, same, they have same meaning as. We'll remember that in the future also. Okay, now how is a rainbow formed? See, we have all learned the beauty of the rainbow and the colors of the rainbow, but if we don't know how a rainbow is formed, it is not just half, right? We are learning only half, right? So we will learn how a rainbow is formed. Okay, so rainbows are formed when sunlight is scattered from raindrops into the eyes of the observer. Okay, that means when it is drizzling, when it is slightly drizzling and light rain, and the sun is, sometimes the sun also appears, right, even if it is drizzling. So when the sun shines on those tiny particles of droplets of water, it makes it appears like this color. Okay, this color appears. Okay, when the reflection, the sun shines on those tiny particles of raindrops. Okay, and the lower the sun in the sky, see, when the sun is lower, the more of an arc of a rainbow the viewer will see. Sometimes we see a half, only the half part of a rainbow, right? That means the sun is very high above. Okay, but at times we see a very clear view of the full arc of a rainbow, right? That means the sun is a little bit lower. Okay, so this is how we will recognize how a rainbow is formed and why are they showing in different shape. Okay, now that is all about rainbow and the poem. Today we are at the end of today's class, and we'll just go a quick revision. Okay, what we have learned today, we have learned the beauty and formation of rainbow, right? We have learned what the colors are there in the rainbow. We have learned the beautiful poem about rainbow, and we have learned about the formation of rainbow, right? Now we have also learned the antonyms and synonyms words, right? Antonyms are those words that are opposite, whereas the synonyms are those words that are same, right? We have learned that also, right? We have learned the name of the colors in a rainbow also, right? We have learned many things today, so I hope you all have understood something, right? If you have any doubt, you can always go to your teachers or your elders, okay, for clarification. So this will be the end for today's class.